is we built a system that works together with scientists. So for instance, if it's a Friday afternoon, I'm in my lab, I have all these ideas I want to explore, but I have my 2 kids at home. And so I can actually plug in a research goal into the system, check the ideas it's creating and the evolution over time, and by Monday morning, I have a bunch of different approaches I can use for my research.
Technically, how is that happening? What is occurring over that weekend when you're able to go and sit with the kids that allows them to debate and draw out ultimately scientific findings?
Right, so it's a multi-agent model. So we have one that generates different ideas, and kind of like a child where you have open-ended possibility to create all these different things, right? And then over time and experience, and we use databases and tools to refine, and then we use competition to improve things. And we rank and re-rank things over time. And it's through that evolution, we create many different ideas that I could potentially pursue in my research.
Already, you started to show how suggested hypotheses are bearing fruit for certain organizations. Talk us through how, for example, Imperial College is already using it.
Right, it's one of my favorite examples. So we actually tried to look into antimicrobial research, and our system actually points us to papers where we can contact researchers and ask to say, is this a good idea? And so we did that actually with Jose and Tiago, and as we reached out to them, they were actually looking at the same problem in parallel. And so something that took us 2 days to compute, they had been studying for many years. And the 2 systems in parallel came to the same result.